Welcome to the podcast, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI-powered CRM with Salesforce's latest innovation, AgentForce. I am your host, Abby, and I have with me Adrian. I would also take a moment here to thank Subramanyam from our ABSYZ team who prepared this content for today's podcast on AgentForce.
Thank you, Abby, for that. So basically, AgentForce has been creating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. It's transforming how businesses interact with customers. And we're here to break down everything you need to know.
So, what exactly is AgentForce?
In simple terms, AgentForce is like having a highly skilled, AI-powered agent working alongside your sales and service teams. It's a conversational AI that uses natural language to understand and resolve customer issues, answer questions, and even take actions autonomously inside your CRM.
That sounds incredibly helpful. How does this actually benefit businesses?
It streamlines operations by automating tasks, providing quick access to information, and freeing up human agents to focus on more complex or strategic activities. Ultimately, it leads to improved customer satisfaction and increased efficiency.
This sounds almost magical. What's happening behind the scenes to make AgentForce work?
The magic, so to speak, comes from a combination of key components: topics, actions, the prompt builder, and Salesforce's existing platform features like Lightning Flows and Apex.
Can you break those down for us?
Absolutely. Let's start with actions. Think of actions as what AgentForce can do. This could be summarizing information, pulling answers from a knowledge base, checking order status, or even drafting emails. Salesforce provides some standard actions out of the box, like finding a record or drafting a sales email.
So you can customize it?
Exactly. You can tailor AgentForce to your specific business needs by creating custom actions using the prompt builder, Apex code, or flows. This opens up a world of possibilities, from initiating returns to logging IT tickets, managing inventory, and handling invoices.
And what about topics? Where do they fit in?
Topics organize these actions. They're like guideposts, helping AgentForce make the right decisions and generate relevant responses. A topic contains related actions and instructions, telling AgentForce what to do, what's allowed, and what to avoid. This helps prevent irrelevant or generic answers, kind of like a safety net.
So a topic might be something like case management, and within that topic you'd have various actions related to handling customer cases.
Precisely. Things like finding open cases, prioritizing tasks, contacting clients, and logging calls, all within that case management topic.
Okay, so we have these actions organized into topics. How does AgentForce actually use them to respond to user requests?
That's where the Atlas Reasoning Engine, or ARE, comes in. Think of ARE as the brains of the operation.
The brains, huh?
Exactly. ARE takes the user's request, figures out what the user is trying to achieve, and then builds a plan to accomplish it. It uses the appropriate topics and associated actions to get the job done. It's the orchestrator of the whole process.
So, AgentForce sounds pretty powerful. How does it compare to Einstein Copilot? They seem to do similar things.
At first glance, yes. But AgentForce is a significant leap forward. It's much more independent. AgentForce can handle tasks and make decisions autonomously, processing natural language much more effectively than Copilot, without needing constant human intervention.
So, less hand-holding?
Exactly. Plus, AgentForce, powered by ARE, can process both structured and unstructured data, like PDFs and call transcripts, which Copilot couldn't really do. And while Copilot had limited configurability, AgentForce is highly customizable. Businesses can tailor it to their specific needs across various sectors, from sales and service to media, commerce, and even healthcare.
You mentioned autonomous actions. Can you elaborate on that?
Sure. Copilot was more of an assistant, offering suggestions and helping with tasks. AgentForce is truly agentic. It takes action, and with its retrieval augmented generation capabilities, or RAG, it constantly learns and stays updated with the latest information. It's really what AI was meant to be.
All this talk of AI taking action is impressive, but it also raises concerns about data security. How does AgentForce address these concerns?
That's a crucial question. Feeding enterprise data into AI can boost efficiency and profits significantly, but security and trust are paramount. AgentForce is integrated with the Einstein Trust Layer, Salesforce's secure AI architecture. This layer allows businesses to benefit from generative AI without compromising their data.
Can you tell us more about how the trust layer works?
Absolutely. The trust layer ensures a few key things. First, data grounding. It makes sure that AI prompts are enriched with trusted company data, not external information. Second, zero data retention. Your company's data is never retained by a third-party LLM provider. Third, toxicity detection. The system flags potentially harmful responses generated by the AI. And finally, AI monitoring. All AI interactions are logged, giving you full visibility into what's happening.
So the data stays within Salesforce's ecosystem?
Precisely. All data accessed by AgentForce, including sensitive information, is protected, and it's not used for training external LLMs. This is part of Salesforce's strict zero data retention policy. Plus, AgentForce has built-in ethical guardrails to minimize AI hallucinations and security guardrails to protect against threats like prompt injections. Users can even set boundaries and define the agent's behavior through topic instructions.
So if a company wants to implement AgentForce, what are the key prerequisites they need to consider?
There are three main areas to focus on: data readiness, network readiness, and security and compliance readiness.
Let's start with data readiness. What does that entail?
Data readiness means ensuring your data is clean, organized, and accurate. AgentForce relies on your customer records, so if the data is messy or incomplete, the AI won't be able to provide accurate insights or take effective actions.
That makes sense. What about network readiness?
AgentForce needs a robust network infrastructure to function optimally. This includes sufficient bandwidth, low latency, and secure configurations.
And lastly, security and compliance readiness.
This is especially important for regulated industries like healthcare and finance. Organizations need to understand relevant regulatory standards and address compliance from the beginning. This builds a strong foundation for a trustworthy and compliant AgentForce implementation.
Now, let's talk about the exciting new developments with AgentForce 2.0. What can you tell us about the upcoming features and release timeline?
AgentForce 2.0 is packed with enhancements. We're introducing new skills for sales teams, including development and coaching skills, merchant skills for commerce, scheduling skills for service engagements, and new skills for field service workers.
That sounds like a significant expansion of AgentForce's capabilities. Any other notable updates?
Absolutely. We're integrating AgentForce with MuleSoft, allowing it to streamline business workflows across any system. MuleSoft for Flow will simplify low-code workflow creation, and the MuleSoft API catalog will provide a central location for managing APIs across various services.
So, AgentForce will be able to connect and interact with even more systems. What about data analysis and insights?
AgentForce 2.0 will integrate with Tableau, providing new topics and actions for data visualizations and predictions. This will enable users to gain deeper insights from agent responses and access data more easily.
That's a powerful combination. Any other features you'd like to highlight?
Yes, we're also introducing AgentForce recommended skills, which will allow users to build agents quickly using natural language. And we're bringing AgentForce to Slack, enabling teams to use it within their Slack conversations.
When can users expect to see these new features?
The full release of AgentForce 2.0 will be generally available in February 2025. However, some features are being released earlier. Tableau skills will be available from December 18, 2024, and AgentForce in Slack, along with natural language agent creation, will be available in January 2025. The MuleSoft integrations and enhanced reasoning capabilities will be part of the full February release.
So, to wrap up, it sounds like AgentForce is a real game changer for businesses using Salesforce.
Absolutely. It's truly what AI was meant to be. AgentForce empowers businesses to automate tasks, gain valuable insights, and improve customer experiences. Its ability to handle complex processes autonomously, combined with its robust security features, makes it a must-have for any organization looking to leverage the power of AI.
Thanks for sharing all this insightful information about AgentForce. It's clear that Salesforce is pushing the boundaries of AI in the CRM space.